Hi guys, it's Sherry and welcome back to the channel. I'm back with another cleaning and organization video for you guys. As you can tell by the title, this video is all about organizing on a budget. Everything that I used, I've already had at home. All I did was shop around my house. I'm going to be cleaning and organizing my small hallway / utility closet. So if you're interested and want to see how everything turned out, then just keep watching and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below, and if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe. Before removing everything, this is the current situation of the hallway closet. This is approximately 3 feet worth of space, and as you see, everything is just tossed on top of each other. There's no organization. I can barely walk inside of the closet to begin with, so this closet needs some desperate cleaning and organization. It was at this moment that I realized I would be able to physically walk inside of this closet. I haven't been able to do that in months due to everything being on the floor, broken vases and glass. Now that's out the way, I'm able to remove everything off of the racks. I felt so accomplished even though I got half of the task done. The reason why I'm cleaning out this closet, besides the fact that it's just disgusting and unorganized, I need a spot to hold my cleaning supplies that I use downstairs for the lower level of the house. I already have one upstairs within the laundry room, and this area will be where I'm going to hold my cleaning supplies for downstairs. Alright guys, so the closet is all clean. Well, not clean, but everything is out of the closet. Please excuse the noise in the background. The kids are playing. Their playroom is literally next door to this closet, but everything is cleared out. I'm going to clean the walls, get like the scrape marks off of the walls. This is everything that came out of that small closet, guys. Isn't that crazy? Including my little yoga mat that I haven't used in months, and this vacuum. Everything that came out of that small closet. Wow. I'm using my handy dandy cleaning tool to remove the scuffs off the walls, and that's the Mr. Clean Magic Erase Markers. These remove any and everything off of your walls, and they are a must to have in your cleaning stash, especially if you have younger kids like myself. If this is your first time watching my video on my channel and hearing my voice, hi and welcome. My name is Sherry. I do cleaning and organizing videos as well as DIYs. I love bringing my styles to life one DIY at a time. Click on that subscribe button and that bell right beside it so you won't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. If you're part of the Oldie But Goodie squad, welcome back squad. I hope everybody's day is going great and your week is going well so far. To add more storage solution and to play with the vertical space, I'm using this 3-shelf bookcase that I got out of my kids' playroom. As we all know, the wire rack system sometimes does not give us the amount of space or storage that we need depending on the room. And for this room, well, technically the closet, it's not working. And I'm also using these containers and bins that I took out of the kids' playroom, the pantry, as well as the laundry room upstairs. And I'm just going to sort these out in the closet just to rearrange them to get a feel on how I want everything to be stored. This is a money saving idea to do. Always shop around your home before you go out and purchase items that you probably already have that you can reuse in a different area. This saves so much money and time in the end. After playing with the containers for a few, this is the rough draft of how I want the containers to appear in the closet. I'm going to go through everything that I took out of the closet and declutter. The area of my hallway closet is approximately a little bit over 3 feet, and that is extremely small, especially since I had all of this stuff compacted within that small area. The purpose of this closet is to store my cleaning supplies as well as other items that I do not use on a daily basis. So I need to go through all of this stuff and declutter as much as I can. After putting the items back how I want them to be stored within the closet, this is how everything turned out. Alright, so I'm going to give you a quick little tour. This first shelf contains my cleaning sprays as well as cleaning wipes. In this container, I have additional tissues as well as facial mask. This container contains the spray that I use after I vacuum and clean my couch, as well as the essential oils that I use for the lower half of the house. The second shelf is all about floor care. In the first container, I have filters for my vacuum and additional tool accessories. The second container has additional mop heads and floor cleaning solutions like this Better Life All Natural Floor Cleaner and the Bona. I have laminate floors and these work perfectly with my floors. I also have the deep cleaning solution for my carpet cleaner that's in the middle. The third shelf is a mixture between cleaning supplies and miscellaneous items. I decided to use these glass containers that I had laying around the house to store my Swiffer duster, magic erase markers, and my baseboard buddy pads. There weren't that many left of each item, so I thought it looked better within these containers. In the bucket, I have my party supplies, gift bags, and tissue paper. Alright, down to the bins within the bookshelves. In this first bin, I have additional Clorox and a care kit as well as pads. For the second bin, I did not put anything in there. I just left it empty. And for the third bin, I have additional supplies for Bo in case he has an accident and his training pads. The purpose and goal of this closet was to store all of my additional cleaning supplies that I use in the lower level of my home, and that included my old cedar mop that I got from Amazon. This is pretty big, so I was happy and excited that it was actually able to fit within this closet, as well as my vacuum cleaner. Now I can put both items within the closet and the door closes easily with no jams and everything fits. My 3-foot hallway closet is now clean and organized, and I can finally utilize this space. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this organization on a budget video, and hopefully this gave you some inspiration to shop your own home and reuse the items that you already have. Leave me a comment down below. How do you think everything turned out, and have you done this previously before in your home? Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell. Thanks for watching again, and I'll talk to you in the next one.